Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Cuisinart GR-300WSP1 Griddler. The original Cuisinart Griddler was an innovation to make sandwiches at a new level. The Griddler Elite boasts 6 impressive cooking functions in sleek brushed stainless steel that gleams on any kitchen countertop. This stylish electric grill can tackle any task, with the ability to grill, griddle, half griddle, panini press, and top melt sandwiches, meats, and appetizers. The electronic display lets you set a timer and dual-zone temperature control, meaning you can griddle an egg on one plate while grilling bacon on the other across a generous 240 square inches of cooking surface. With reversible plates, our superior sear blast feature locking flavor into steaks at 500 Fahrenheit, and a top cover that is fully adjustable, cooking is perfectly customized and precise every time. The dishwasher-safe non-stick grill plates are also conveniently removable for easy cleanup after even the gooeyest, cheesiest sandwich or sticky barbecue sauce. For details, let's watch more.
Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees. Ditch the traditional grill and discover fun new ways to enjoy your summer cookouts. Cuisinart, savor the good life.
Number 2 in this best sandwich presses list is Hamilton Beach 25410 Sandwich Maker. It is the perfect size for 2 nice sandwiches on large bread, but yet not too big and bulky to have to worry about where to store it, and it is not so big that it is cumbersome to move around and clean. The non-stick grill surfaces are nice and easy to clean. Makes wonderful sandwiches, easy to use, easy to clean, sandwiches turn out consistent. Easily make a variety of hot-pressed sandwiches of varied thicknesses, from grilled cheese and Reubens to paninis and Mexican tortas, thanks to the cafe-style floating hinged lid. With a total of 95 square inches of non-stick surface on the top and bottom grill plates, most meals will cook in 10 minutes or less. Both sides of food cook at the same time. Make restaurant-quality sandwiches and grilled foods using your own fresh ingredients at a fraction of the cost of eating out. Power and preheat lights let you know when the sandwich maker is on and when to add food to the cooking surface for best results. 4th pick in our best sandwich presses list is Ovente Electric Indoor Panini Press Grill. Ovente Electric Indoor Panini Press Grill has a digital control panel that gives you full power over the temperature setting to ensure that your panini is heated to your liking. Its cool touch handle, automatic shutoff, and power on indicator light prevent you and your guests from painful accidents. Its reasonable size also takes up less counter space. The non-stick grills are cleaned easily with a grill brush, and the drip tray catches excess fats and liquids, so disposal is made easy. Stainless steel housing only needs to be wiped by a damp, soft cloth. It's solid construction, easy to use and easy to clean. Our third pick is Foreman GR-300WSP1. This grill has a larger cooking surface for cooking, and it is easy to use and easy to clean. Its advanced ceramic plate that improved grill plates are covered with a multi-layer ceramic coating that's more durable than previous models and can reach the highest temperature of any indoor grill. The digital control panel clearly displays the cooking time and temperature. The buttons are level with the grill exterior, making the surface easy to wipe clean. The digital control panel clearly displays the cooking time and grill temperature, which ranges from 325 to 450, plus the 500 searing burst. The buttons are level with the grill exterior, making the surface easy to wipe clean. The premium grill plates are covered with a multi-layer, non-stick ceramic coating that simplifies cleanup and reduces the need for excess oil and butter. The grill plates are completely removable and dishwasher safe. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Brentwood Compact Dual Sandwich Maker. Very durable sandwich maker that makes vegetable sandwich in fraction of seconds. Product works exactly as described. Easy to use and clean. Perfect for quick bite. Fairly compact, it saves space. This is a very nice griller. The only thing I found is that it is kind of difficult to clean afterwards, because there is a small edge all the way around it, and when the cheese gets inside, it's really a pain. Otherwise, it works great. Use the Brentwood TS240B non-stick compact dual sandwich maker to grill up to 2 delicious, sealed sandwiches with easy-to-cut diagonal indentations. Try ham cheese, grilled cheese, pepperoni calzones, omelets, desserts and more. Powerful 750 watts grills sandwiches to perfection. Operation is simple with cool touch handles and power preheat indicator lights. Easily remove sandwiches and clean grill thanks to non-stick surfaces. Save space in your kitchen with safety lock lid, convenient cord wrap and compact upright storage.